Okay students, problem number 14. A photo cell is illuminated by a small bright source placed 1 meter away. When the same source of light is placed 0.5 meter away, then the number of electrons emitted by the photocathode would decrease by a factor 4 or increase by a factor 4. Either decrease by a factor 2 or increase by a factor 2. Okay students, what do you mean by intensity of light here in this experiment? The intensity of the light, see here, I, intensity, okay, I will take the symbol I, is equal to the number of photons incident per second, photons incident, okay, per second, incident per second. Now what do you mean by current, photo current? So photo current, okay, photo current is equal to number of electrons, okay, number of electrons emitted, okay, per second. These two will be equal. So the intensity and the current will be proportional to each other. Already we have studied that the photoelectric current varies linearly with the intensity. Okay students. So now also we know that intensity is inversely proportional to d square. Is it not? So when the number of photons emitted per second is inversely proportional to d square, means naturally the photoelectrons, number of photoelectrons emitted by the photocathode also will be inversely proportional to d square. So I will take the intensity is I1 is proportional to 1 by d1 square, and I2, I will take I2, intensity I2 is proportional to 1 by d2 square. Okay. Now number of electrons emitted per second, I will take the symbol N. Okay. So instead of writing this now, I can also write N1 is proportional to 1 by d1 square and N2 is proportional to 1 by d2 square. Okay students. So number of electrons emitted per second when the distance is d1. This is number of electrons emitted per second when the distance is d2. Now let us take the first given distance is 1 meter. Okay students. So here I will take d1 is equal to 1 meter and what is d2 equal to 0.5 meter. Okay, half meter. I want to take the ratio, is it not? I will take N2 by N1 first, okay? N2 I will take. So, N2 divided by N1 must be equal to what? Since they are inversely proportional to the distance square, it must be equal to what? D1 square divided by D2 square. So, I will write this as D1 square divided by D2 square. This is equal to D1 by D2 the whole square. So, what is the D1? D1 is 1 meter divided by 0.5 meter the whole square. So this is equal to, I will multiply both sides by 10. So 1 into 10, this is also equal to what? 10 divided by 5 the whole square. So this is equal to 2 square, that is equal to 4. See, directly you can write the value, no problem. But if you multiply by 10 means then there will be no mistake in our calculation on the safer side. So 10 by 5 is a 2. So 2 square is a 4. Therefore, N2 is equal to 4 times N1. So this is the expected answer. So what is the question here? The number of electrons emitted by the photocathode would, it is increasing by how many times? 4 times, is it not? So what is the option you see here? So it is increased by a factor, increased by a factor 4 is the right option. So option B is correct. Therefore option B, okay, option B is the correct option. Have you understood? Okay, we will go to the next sum.